2017 Ford F-350 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-350 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, one owner, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, CD player, power windows, compass, electronic stability control, trip computer, tachometer, brake assist, overhead console, tilt steering wheel, front reading lamps, driver vanity mirror, passenger vanity mirror. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.